In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort files by name in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so your files and folders snap into a clean alphabetical order, making everything faster to find and easier to manage. First, sign into Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Drive website. If you're not already signed in, use your Google account to log in. Once you're in, you'll see your Drive interface with files, folders, and the navigation panel on the left. This is the main workspace where sorting takes place, and it works the same on both Windows and Mac in any modern browser. Next, navigate to the folder you want to sort. Click into that specific folder so you're looking directly at its contents. Sorting only affects the current view, so being inside the exact folder you care about is important. Don't worry, sorting won't move or rename anything. It simply changes how items are arranged on your screen, and it doesn't alter what your collaborators see. It's just your view. Now look toward the upper right area of the file list. You'll see the Sort button. Depending on your layout, it may appear as an icon with letters and an arrow, or as a small menu labeled Sort. It sits above your files near the Layout toggle for grid or list view. If you don't spot it immediately, make sure your browser window is maximized so the top toolbar isn't condensed. Click the Sort button and choose Name. The moment you select Name, Google Drive will arrange everything alphabetically. Folders and files will line up A to Z by default, making it simple to scan for what you need. If you prefer reverse order, look for the small arrow next to the sort setting and flip it to Z to A. That toggle gives you quick control over the direction without changing anything else. A few quick tips while you're here. Sorting by name is especially helpful when you use consistent file naming, like adding dates or prefixes to your titles. You can switch between grid and list view at any time. Sorting by name works in both. And remember, sorting applies to the folder you're currently in. If you open another folder, set the sort again if needed. That's it. You're signed in, you're inside the right folder, you found the Sort button, and you clicked Name. Your Google Drive is now neatly organized alphabetically, so you can stop scrolling and start working.